Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today, Cirkul has brand new big news for you guys. I'm so excited to learn about it. Do you want to know? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So Cirkul told me that they have another huge surprise for everybody. They won't tell me just yet, but they said a box is coming. I received this. So this was kindly sent to me for review. So thank you so much, Cirkul, for sending me whatever is inside of this box. I greatly do appreciate it. If you guys don't know, I absolutely love Cirkul. I have been drinking this for a few years now, and I honestly cannot believe, I'm still shocked to this day how much water I literally drink that I never drank before. 0 calories, 0 sugar, all the bad stuff is cut out. All you have is like a really nice, pure, clean water with a nice flavor. And I absolutely love Cirkul. That's the first thing that I grab out of the refrigerator when I get home from work. It's the last thing that I put back in the refrigerator before I go to bed. But every single day I have my Cirkul. Every single day. So there's some big news. The last big news, they were in Bed Bath & Beyond, and ever since then I've been waiting. I have been absolutely waiting for them to come up in a Target or a Walmart. So I vouch, my vote is for one of those. What do you guys vote? Let me know, and we're gonna find out. But my vote is, it's going to be probably Walmart. I was hoping more Target because I shop Target more, just trying to be selfish for myself. But they said they're going to be in a major retail store, and I would say that's probably Walmart. But I think it's super, super exciting that they're venturing out. They're going to be in more retail stores, so you guys can go and personally pick it up, or you can still order from their site as normal. But now you can walk into, we're going to find out what store. So here's the box that is inside. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, I still don't see anything. They're still leaving me in suspense. Your water the way you want. So when we open this up, and it says Walmart. Okay, it's Walmart, you guys. Cirkul, congratulations. Now they are in Walmart. Woo, 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 woo. Yay. That is so exciting. Again, I knew it was probably going to be, I had a 50-50 chance of having it right when I said Target or Walmart, and I got it right. It's going to be Walmart. Congratulations. That is so cool. I'm so proud of them. Venturing out, Bed Bath & Beyond, and now Walmart, you guys. Either one, you can walk up in there starting today and purchase from the store itself. That is so cool. So let's get into this. It's a cool little PR package that they had sent to me. I actually have this in blue too. I have it in blue and I have it in white. My man has his in black. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. And it looks like there's some fun goodies in here. Ooh, so here is a shirt with their logo. It says Cirkul. And I love that blue color too. So they sent a shirt. They sent a sticker. Oop, there's another sticker. These are like their new things. And if you guys do purchase anything from Cirkul, if you tag them in their Instagram, they will then put it on their stories as well. And it's so neat because now when you do go to your Instagram stories, they have their own, what are those things called? How you can just use whatever those things are called. They have their own that look kind of like this that you can add to it. So when you do go to your Instagram stories, go to search and just put Cirkul, and it'll show all of the cool little Cirkul ones that you can actually use in your own story for Cirkul. So that's cool. So I have 2 stickers. Ooh, and here's a pin. It says Cirkul fam. I love this. I collect these pins too, and I definitely am a Cirkul fam. I love me some Cirkul. So here is a cute little pin. Oh my gosh, thank you. And then, so here are the new SIP packages for retail stores are going to look like this. I totally get it because it sits better in end caps or, you know, just displays inside of an actual retail store. If you purchase them from their website, they still will probably come in the bags because when I purchase from their website, they still come to me in the bags, which is completely fine. But I know these boxes are going to be easier for display purposes. So these are their new containers or their new packaging. This one here is a Life Sip for watermelon. and I absolutely love watermelon. Black cherry and white cherry are one of my top faves. I like them both, which is very, very weird because I normally do not like cherry, but I really, really love both of these. The black cherry and the white cherry. And if you guys don't know how Cirkul works, you can watch any of my other videos because I go in depth in how the cartridges work, how you refill them, how you put them in, all of that stuff. So definitely check out my other videos if you would like. Oh, exciting news! If you were excited with the announcement of our first retail launch, well, just wait. Very soon, grabbing more Cirkul flavors will be even easier. Starting Walmart. Yes, Walmart, you can still, like I said, you can still shop their actual website as well. And I believe they did, yes, they sent me a little gift card so I can actually go today now that they're in launch and I can purchase them, and I will show you like on my Instagram stories, or I might do a little short, how is it called? Shorts video showing you my actual store when I can get there today to see what my store has in display. But that is super neat. Now, this is one of the boxes that they will be having in their retail stores. This is like retail ready. I love the box. The presentation is really, really nice, and it makes a great gift idea too. Mother's Day, Father's Day, anniversaries, graduations, birthdays, whatever you would like. This would make an amazing gift to give to somebody, because what's better than hydration and being healthy? So this one right here, again, it comes in this little box. It has the magnetic, and it tells you kind of like, you know, a little display of how it works. It will tell you the nutrition facts in the back, which is 0 calories, 0 sugar, and these do not have that nasty aftertaste like a lot of things that I would add to water that you squirt in, or the powder, anything like that. It would always have like a nasty aftertaste to me that I did not like. Not with Cirkul. None of their flavors give me that nasty aftertaste whatsoever. So when you open this one up, I'm not sure if this is going to be the plastic bottle. It looks like it's going to be plastic from the front. Yes. So they do have it in a plastic and the stainless steel. If you can grab the stainless steel, me personally, I would recommend that one. Number one, it keeps it so much colder. I can literally put ice in mine in the morning, and at night it's still ice inside and it's still cold. So I always prefer my stainless steel over plastic. Plus, you don't get the little condensation like water stuff on the outside of the bottle as you do with the plastic with the stainless steel. But if you like to start with the plastic one because it is cheaper, then definitely go ahead and grab it so you can at least try the flavors and know how much you're going to be loving it just as much. But again, just make sure inside here which bottle it is if you wanted to get the stainless steel or the plastic when you're purchasing them. But I do like that it comes like this. You have your bottle, you have your lid, and it comes with 2 different sips. This one here comes with fruit punch and mixed berries. Again, my tops as well. I love almost all of their flavors except stuff that has like coconut or mango, because me personally, I just don't like those 2 flavors. But everything else is just amazing. And they're doing their new flavor lab where every month they're coming out with a brand new flavor, limited quantities. So once they sell out, that's it. But every month they're coming out with a new flavor. And last month I think was like the blue raspberry. Oh my gosh, it was so good. Oh, and then they did the banana strawberry. I think maybe that one was last month. That one was amazing. So always check their website or follow them on Instagram, and they will post when their new flavor comes out. And if you're interested in trying it, you can run to their site, purchase it so you can try it before they sell out. But I think that is so neat that every month they're coming out with a brand new flavor for you guys. So I love seeing Cirkul grow. I think this is so amazing. More people definitely need to get this in their hands so they can start drinking, living better lives, and being healthy, and not drinking soda and juice and all of that, you know, stuff with sugars and things that are bad for our bodies. Just simply water is all I drink, other than alcohol. If these came in alcohol, I would be set. But that is so neat. So again, congratulations to Cirkul. Starting today, you can go out and purchase it from Walmart, or again, you can still get it from their site at any time. So that is amazing. Thank you so much, Cirkul, for keeping me and my viewers in the loop and letting us know about your amazing new news. That is awesome. So that is what I have to show for this particular video, and the exciting news to tell you guys. Comment down below and let me know, have you tried Cirkul? Do you want to? Are you now convinced that you really want to? Because they're in Walmart and you can walk your little happy booty in there and get them. Let me know your positive interaction. It means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.